In this video, you'll learn how to set up Face Unlock on your Google Pixel 4 or 4 XL. This feature allows for quick and secure access to your device using facial recognition. Begin by unlocking your Pixel 4 or 4 XL and locating the Settings app on your home screen. Scroll down the menu until you find the option labeled Security and tap on it to access biometric options. Within this section, look for Face Unlock or the option that says Set up Face Unlock. Selecting this will initiate the setup process. Ensuring that your face is clearly visible and well lit will enhance the accuracy of the recognition. Next, follow the on-screen instructions that will guide you to position your face within a circular frame displayed on the screen. It is important to slowly move your head in different directions so that the camera can capture all angles of your face. During this process, the system will show you the progress of the registration and will confirm once your face is successfully registered. If needed, you have the option to add an alternate appearance, which can improve recognition under varying conditions. After completing the registration, it's time to test the Face Unlock feature. Lock your phone and then raise it to your face to see if it unlocks quickly and accurately. If you find that the device does not unlock as expected, you may want to adjust settings, such as requiring your eyes to be open for enhanced security. This step is crucial because it ensures that Face Unlock performs reliably in various situations. If you experience any issues or want to improve the performance of Face Unlock, you have the option to re-register your face at any time. This flexibility allows you to refine the setup to ensure consistent unlocking, which enhances both convenience and security for your Pixel 4 or 4 XL. With Face Unlock set up, your device is now ready for hands-free unlocking, making it easier to access your phone quickly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.